So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your first $3,000 per week, every single week, with affiliate marketing, promoting clickbank products or MaxWeb products. So stay until the end of this video. Why? Because I'm going to reveal to you the actual secret of how you can go step by step to create $3,000 or more per week with affiliate marketing. So let's go straight into it. As you can see here on my screen, right, I just had almost $3,000 payment, which was done from one affiliate offer, and I'm going to show exactly how by using Google Ads. So let's go straight into it. So as you can see over here, right, we're going to look into the Google Ads. Now, why I'm always choosing Google Ads, the number one reason why is because when you're going to Google, right, when you go to Google on your phone, you're looking for buyers, not prospects, but buyers. Very important difference, right? People are looking to buy product on Google, or they search for information on how to, let's say, solve their pains and problems. So that's why Google is very, very great lead generation solutions out there. So let's go straight into it. How do I do it? The first thing is I'm going after pay-per-click search keywords, right? So once I go into Google Ads campaign and I'm setting up Google Ads, I would select a campaign type. You have many different, like video for YouTube ads, discovery, display. I'm looking for search. Why? Because I know that people, just like you and me, are looking every single day on Google search box, toolbox, right, to find answers and solutions to their pain and problems, right? We are always looking for informational based value. And what mostly happen is, look, I'm trying to tell you this: if you're smart and if you want to have results long term, think outside of the box. If you really want to have success with affiliate marketing, think outside of the box, outside of what gurus are telling you. Why? Because you have to use eyes, right? Your eyes, eyeballs, to observe what's happening in the marketplace, right? People, for example, even myself, when I see the blog page, advertorial, landing page with value, right, with something that helps me, and at the bottom is the link, right? The link, click here, buy now, watch this video. Yes, I'm going to click on it. Why? Because the whole paragraph pre-sold me on 5 points. Now, I'm not going to tell you for free what those 5 points are. One of them are pains. Second one is problem, right? There are 3 more, and if you position them correctly, you will definitely have much more sales on clickbank than the rest of the people, the rest of the affiliates who don't understand how to properly position offer on their pre-sale page or landing page. Very important thing. So we go by search, right? Google search ads, targeting keywords. Very important thing. Buyers, keywords. Another thing what we do is we put the headline, right? And I don't know why, but lots of affiliates are making this stupid simple mistake, which is they are not using descriptions over here, buttons, right? They're not adding extra extensions, and all of this can help you succeed with Google Ads if you have someone to guide you through step by step and hold your hand. Hand holding, very important thing if you want to have long-term sustainable passive income online, right? So here we put a headline, as you can see over here, headline 2, headline 3, all description, extension links. Great, we do it correctly. And then what we do, as you can see here, is we set up the campaign, which is basically bidding. I suggest start with at least $1 per click. Why? Because look, if you want to get cheap Indian clicks, great. From India, great. You can get them. But it's all about quality over quantity. You can get 10,000 clicks for $100, and I can get 1,000 clicks for $1,000. And if my click convert for 50% more than yours, I'm going to get my money back plus profit, but you're gonna lose your money. So remember this, my friend, if you're watching this video, it's all about quality over quantity. Anywhere in online marketing business, right? And then we set up keywords, ads, our budget, we put it under review and publish our ad campaign. So this is basically how it works, simple steps. Now another thing, as you can see over here, is I'm using tracking. It's not a secret, but I'm giving this to my clients, my students. If you work with me one-on-one, you will know how to set up correctly the tracking, right? For example, with Google Ads, right? No redirect tracking. And then we have cost update, blacklist payments, post creative, campaign pause. All of this stuff is set up with our system. So if you work with me one-on-one, you will understand how this is properly done step by step, so that you can basically have sustainable long-term results, right? This is what we are aiming for over here. So what to do next? Now, if you're watching this video and if you really want to get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing or MaxWeb or any other private network out there, the number one name of the game is you need to have someone to guide you through step by step along the way. Why? Because if you don't have anyone, what's going to happen? You're gonna pay $2,500 or $3,000 for some course, and you will not have anyone to hold your hand along the way. Once you get stuck, and you definitely will get stuck as a newbie, you will not have someone who is going to be determined enough to help you along the way and hold your hand, right? Hold your hand and show you ropes of how it's done consistently over time. So if you want to get results, and if you have some money to invest, because if you don't have any money to invest, you can unsubscribe to my channel. Why? Because I'm trying to help you understand this is pay to play game. You have to invest at least $1,000, at least $2,000, at least $3,000 to get real results. If you really want to get $3,000 profit per week, don't you think it would be worth to pay $3,000, even $5,000 to have someone to guide you through along the way? For me, from my personal experience, I would say definitely yes. Hell yes. Why? Because lots of people want to learn for free on YouTube. They want to get free tips, but free doesn't work. You need to have someone to guide you. Everyone who ever in the past achieved something in traditional business or online business, they always had coaches and mentors. Michael Jordan, Michael Jackson, everyone had mentors. Everyone had coaches, right? To help them and handhold them along the way to achieve success. Same thing with affiliate marketing. You cannot expect something for nothing, right? You need to invest money and a little bit of time and effort to get results for long term. So choose your heart. Do you want to work 9 to 5? Or do you want to save some $2,000, do nothing, right? Or do you want to take it this serious? So I don't like people who procrastinate and wait and are skeptical. I love action takers like myself. So thank you for watching this video. Take action now. Subscribe to my channel, and if you want to have more tips and help, let me know under this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.